everyone, and welcome to Once Upon a Couch with Grace. I'm Grace, and I've spent over a decade researching health and fitness and helping others achieve their fitness goals. So today I'm going to talk about the free videos I'm offering online, how those differ from what's already out there, and how I can help you achieve your fitness goals. I use my experience to develop low to moderate intensity workouts that are also low impact. So that means easy on the knees, easy on the joints. I'm also developing some depression and anxiety considerate videos. At a time, one of the most overweight kids in my class, and a lot of the photos from that time have been conveniently lost. I found a couple. I think this is of me in 4th or 5th grade. And I say conveniently lost, but really I did not like my picture being taken at that time. So I have firsthand experience of the struggles that overweight and obese people face and what needs to change in order to get healthy. I'll be joined occasionally with Chef Rich, and he'll share his nutritional recipe ideas. What we call a replacement recipe that would replace things like cinnamon buns and cookies and peanut butter cups. And so my channel is about health and well-being, having mobility, and being the best version of yourself. All right, let's talk about that. Hello everyone, and welcome to Once Upon a Couch with Grace. Hi everyone, and welcome to Once Upon a Couch with Grace. Okay. I can help you reach your fitness goals and live well and prosper. No, that's not the line. Too much? You can click the button below to subscribe. All right, that's a wrap. This is my song, you better sing along. I'm a rap star coming at ya. Oh, I'm still